there is nothing too good for you. I hope that you know that. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video, and I'm super excited about today's video because I don't think I've ever done a video like this before, but this is a what I got myself for Christmas video. Now this video is, you know, pre-recorded, so I don't know what I'm actually gonna get from everybody else, but these are the things that I actually got myself. Now if you follow my channel, you know I'm really into like handbags, and I've recently gotten into jewelry, so that's what I wanted to buy myself for Christmas. I have a designer bag that I'm gonna share with you guys, and 2 pieces of jewelry, one from Dior and the other one from Tiffany's. My first new purchase from Tiffany's. I've gotten some Preloved things in the past, but this is my first new purchase from Tiffany. So I'm excited about that. I got my first little baby blue bag and all of that. Got the whole little experience. I'm gonna talk about all of that in just a minute. If you like luxury unboxings, if you like fashion related videos, lifestyle content, dating advice, you'll definitely enjoy my channel, so go ahead and subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, hit that little bell. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now I will say one of the items that I'm gonna be showcasing in this video today, I don't actually have, okay? I purchased it today and I don't have the patience to wait on it. So I will have to insert footage of me trying them on and the unboxing in this video. And that's the Dior earrings that I'm gonna talk about a little bit later. But my main thing that I wanted to get is a bag, and that is what I have right here. I did get this bag from Fashionphile because I love Fashionphile as my favorite pre-loved designer website. Now I've had my eye on this particular bag for quite some time. Actually, for my birthday, I actually got this. This is from Saint Laurent, and I got this cute little black and silver little card case. I said to myself I wouldn't use this card case until I got the matching bag because I knew I wanted a bag to match that. That's my clue to you guys about what kind of bag I got. But I got this and I wanted it to match my bag. So here is the bag that I got. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. Oh, what is this? This is new, okay. Here it is right here. What is this? Ooh, it's a 2021 calendar, and it's got little handbags on it. Got like the little Hermes pillow, the Chanel pillow. Ooh, you guys know I'm a handbag lover. I will definitely be using this. It's like a little designer calendar. That's cute. I'm switching it up, okay? Also, you always get this right here. This is the standard Fashionphile little file, and it always has the quote from Carrie from Sex and the City. I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Of course, it has the receipt, and of course, lots and lots of confetti in it as well. But we are here for the bag. So as it always has this little bright pink sticker right here that says "Use is the new new." I've had my eye on this bag for so long. I'm so excited that I finally have it. So here it is. Let me flip it this way so you guys can see it. Here it is. So this is the Saint Laurent college or college bag in the size medium. It has sort of this aged silver hardware. What I liked about this bag when I saw it was the many different ways that you can carry the bag. The more ways you can carry a bag, the more versatile it's gonna be and the more use you're gonna get out of it. I love a cute little doot top handle bag, but I think I can also put it on the crook of my arm. And then it also has the strap. Look at the condition of this bag. Like, this is why I love Fashionphile so much. Like, look at this bag. What? And I saved a ton on this bag. Oh my goodness. So let me open it up. Ooh, so it does have the Saint Laurent dust bag for it, which is nice. I love when my bags have either the dust bag or the box. So it also has this right here inside, which is the Saint Laurent care instructions, which is really nice. You can tell the person took really good care of it. Maybe they didn't use it that much, I don't know. But here's how big it is. It's actually got quite a bit of space inside. It has this little zipper middle pocket. It also has a pocket in the back, and in here is the strap to it. Right here. Gotta kind of untwist the strap, but here is what the bag looks like. I love the size. I think I can wear this bag crossbody or definitely wear it on my shoulder, but I really like the idea of just wearing it like this as well. And then I really do love the fact that it also has a little pocket in the back. this is the perfect place to put your phone. I love a bag that has a little phone slot. There you go. And I have the iPhone 11, I want to say, and it fits back there beautifully. So this is what I got for Christmas. It's the main thing that I really wanted. I had my eye on this bag since I got the little card case. Got my little matching set. I'm so excited. This is definitely what I wanted for Christmas. I cannot recommend Fashionphile enough. I'll be sure to link them below. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from Tiffany, or Tiffany & Co. Now I have it in this bag, but I actually had this shipped to me because I don't feel comfortable going in anybody's store right now. But it came with like the tissue paper if you wanted to like gift it to somebody. It says Tiffany & Co. on the paper. And then it also has the classic Tiffany & Co. bag. And then here is what is inside. All right, so as you guys see, it's wrapped up so beautifully. I really love that they take the time to make everything look so beautiful. I'm gonna let go of this little bow. Then it has the classic Tiffany box. Oh, and then it has a nice little pouch right here. So it also has this cute little pouch right here also inside. So what I really wanted was a pair of earrings, and I wanted these earrings because I have a Tiffany bracelet that I got from Fashionphile last year. So here's what this bracelet looks like close up. I love the little heart tag, please return to Tiffany. It's from their Please Return to Tiffany collection. I actually want to get the heart-shaped earrings that are just like this. So here are the matching earrings. This one's like stuck in the bag. Oh, they separate them. They separate the earrings. There's like a little slot in here where you could put each earring, I guess, so they don't scratch each other. That's smart. But here are the little earrings that I got. I just got the If Lost Return to Tiffany earrings. Gonna have to put close up so you guys can see what these look like. A lot of my handbags have silver hardware, and I do love silver, so I definitely thought I would get a lot of use out of this. I will definitely wear these earrings when I wear the little Tiffany bracelet that I got. And I did get the bracelet from Fashionphile on a really good deal. The bracelet might have been like $125 or $150, so I was excited about that, but I definitely wanted to get the matching earrings. All right, so that's the handbag and the pair of earrings that I got from Tiffany, but I did get another pair of earrings from Dior. Like I was telling you guys, I bought it today. I'm gonna post what it looks like online, and then I'm also gonna include some footage of what it looks like, you know, in person. I got these gorgeous little silver Dior earrings. Now I don't even have anything from Dior as far as like handbags, but hopefully I will, okay? If I did get a Dior bag, what I really want is a mini Lady Dior, black with silver hardware. I would love to get that bag and then wear the earrings with it. So I really have been loving jewelry, and you guys know I've been loving handbags as well. I love the fact that all these things I can pass down to my daughters. In case you guys don't know it, I have 3 daughters, so I always keep them in mind when I buy stuff. Like, you know, in some years from now, would my daughter want to wear these little earrings, or would she want this? I kind of like the idea of passing these things along to my daughters. I definitely feel like I'll get my cost per wear out of the earrings and out of the handbags and things like that. That's why I don't pay a whole lot for the clothes. I'm not worried about clothes. I'm worried about stuff that I could actually wear years and years and years from now. Stuff that's not too trendy. Heart earrings with Tiffany on them will never go out of style. These Dior earrings will never go out of style. And I don't think this handbag will ever go out of style either. It's your simple YSL logo black leather bag that you can wear in a lot of different ways. So I tried to get classics. I'm actually really proud of myself because for years, I've never really gotten anything for Christmas. Never really gotten much for myself. I always tell my husband, don't get me anything. I've been saying no. You just worry about the girls. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. And I'm past that, okay? I work really hard. I am a good mother. I'm a good wife. And I take care of everybody. I'm finally getting to the point where I'm okay with, you know, doing things for myself and blessing myself and allowing people to be a blessing to me. How do I know that their blessing isn't in them blessing me? Okay, so I don't say no anymore. There's not a whole lot of women in the black luxury space, and I feel like that needs to change. There needs to be more people who look like you, who are okay with treating themselves. It's not for other people or people who don't look like you. We deserve nice things as black women, okay? I don't care what nobody told you. We deserve nice things as black women, okay? Spoil yourself, treat yourself. If you want something, get it. There is nothing too good for you. No man, no location, no job, no handbag, no nothing. There is nothing too good for you. I hope that you know that. But anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. If you like this video, you'll love my last one. I'll do you a favor and I'll link it for you right here. Be sure to subscribe right here. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.